Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to understand transformer architecture in machine learning. That is one of the most important topic in modern AI. Models like ChatGPT, BERT, all are based on these architectures. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of simple language and implement it step by step in Google Colab. Let's get started. First of all, why do we need transformers? Before the transformer, we use RNN and LSTM for the text and sequence. In the text and sequence for the data, okay? And what they had major three programs. RNN and STM major three programs. They have proceed one by one, which make them slow. And then second they have struggle with long sentences, forget earlier, and then third they cannot run in parallel. The GPU power is best, and transformers that is solve all these problems. Okay, what is transformers? बात पढ़ ली, but what is transformer? Transformer is a deep learning architecture that all word process all word at same time instead of one. And next, it understand relationship between word and using self-attention. Self-attention. What is self-attention? Self-attention, one simple question that means one. And then what is self-attention? Self-attention means that it focus on simple word that the animal didn't cross the road because it was bad. Then what is it? It refers to animal. Okay, that is self-attention. The next, transformer encoder blocks. Transformer is a modern made by taking multiple encoder blocks. Each encoder block has multi-head attention, add and normalize, then feed forward network, and then add and normalize again. And encoder, difference between encoder and decoder. Encoder understand input text, decoder generate output text. Grid you use only encoder, GPT and ChatGPT use decoder only. Okay, let run the let run the code in Google Colab. First of all, open Chrome browser and type Google Colab and open first website. Okay, create new notebook. Wait a few minutes. Open, rename this. Okay, what we are learning that what we learned today we are learn here. So I am copy this and Control C here, and here I have, sorry, here. Okay, transformer architecture we have renamed it from transformer. Before create transformer architecture we import some libraries. Import torch, then import torch dot, sorry, dot, and then edge and the next MPU import RCS torch dot optim edge optim, where optim mean optimization, and then IM import your torch dot RNN dot version. Check the version of dot RNN dot the version, but we have currently used function implementation. Okay, functional edge f. The next be right print. We remove this and run this code. We have IPORT and then run the code again. Missed. Error. We have removed this. Import PORC torch dot NN dot FUNCTIONALANN and then run the code again. It runs and then next we will use self attention code. For self attention code we have give the we have comment out self attention code. Then next we have write the code self BERT underscore attention free and attention underscore क्या था attention Q A and V. Okay, SURES scores score equals to PORC starts dot M A T M. ओके म्यूचुअल हम क्यों लिखेंगे क्यों मीन्स क्वेरी के मीन्स की एंड वी फॉर मीन्स वैल्यू ओके then next here clear dot transport transpose minus 2 minus 1 then we write clear transport transpose transpose minus 2 minus 1. Okay, then next we close the bracket and then next we write WAG stat f dot softmax SURE scope dimension equals to -1, then next output OUTPUT out then output 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 equals to right torch dot MEU mutual WEIGH where then he means value. Okay. Then next RETU return output. Okay. And then here then give the data of Q equals to QRCH dot RA then RA and it then one random value we have 1 3 4 QK PORCH dot RA and then one 4 3. Okay, here we will move this. Okay, why we here we have a random data same AQV equals to TOR dot RA and 1 3 and then a value 1 4 and output equals to self expansion Q K with Q K V O V U and then run the code and then next we will the next class equal class TRANS transformer block PLO CK and N dot ML dot module next expenses. We have removed this only head. We have don't add a multiple datas. Then super dot int self dot attention and dot new multi head multi head attention multi head attention. Okay. E embed size then HEADS heads then be batch highest first equals to some then here we have right true. Okay, and self dot normal largest one and then dot LYER norm M D Z then self dot no two equals to NN dot LYER no EMBA now SIZ size. Okay, then self dot feed f self dot feed forward 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 is equal to NN dot SEQUENC sequences sequential NN then NN dot linear linear EM medium based Z size or into EM medium based Z. Okay, then next depth forward depth forward self x equals to attention attention output equals to dot attention x y x then attention output and out we will remove this again X, then okay, then we will remove this line again, and then dot R E L U, but then we will run this and then dot linear linear 4 into investor into the next def forward word the forward में is self self and self x enter this pension pension OUT output and then self dot attention attention x x and then x. Okay, x equals to SELF self dot normalization norm one then here double T and PIU pension x plus here double T and T pension OUT output. Not that. Then next we have a mistake. Okay, one then next FF output output equals to self dot feed plus of course word feed forward then next word then X and output remove this pen Remove this again. Hit forward. OUT. PUT. Okay. And then next out out equals to self dot now to then x effect output. Then next retrieve and return out. Okay. We have run and this see not any error. Okay. And then next we start writing x equals to t over torch dot nn, then torch dot and 2 comma 5 comma 1 based my random values and model in ODE model 1 equals to transformer shape that is and we have an in the MBD sizes IZ size equals to 1 here and then RDH hertz equals to 8 and the next output equals to model into x and we will print OUT PUT out SH is and the next OUT PT out dot SH then run the code. The page enough for this video. If you